How many of you know what ChatGPT is?
The idea that AI will eventually replace humans is not new. Our culture has regularly emphasized how technology could turn against us or completely replace humans. All of that, though, was before ChatGPT arrived in town and began to turn this fever dream into reality. While we are not quite there yet, ChatGPT and AI in general may be on the way to replacing humans entirely in some situations and taking over some vocations. OpenAI was formed in 2015 with the goal of protecting humanity from the possible devastation of artificial intelligence. The business started out as a nonprofit research organization committed to the mission. Elon Musk and Sam Altman were among the company's founders. OpenAI took an unusual tack at the beginning by presenting itself as a nonprofit research organization. The founders prioritized the welfare of humanity as a whole over self-interested financial goals in order to address the impact of AGI on society. They wanted to align the company's goals completely with the pursuit of scientific research and the promotion of secure and advantageous AI technology by forming OpenAI as a non-profit organization. Sam Altman and Elon Musk, both significant personalities in the field of technology and entrepreneurship, were among the famous founders of OpenAI. Sam Altman, a well-known businessman and the former leader of the startup accelerator Y Combinator, contributed his knowledge in encouraging creativity and assisting early-stage businesses to the group. Elon Musk, well known for his work on electric cars, renewable energy, and space exploration, contributed his innovative viewpoint and support for responsible technical advancement to OpenAI. The leadership of Altman and Musk together gave OpenAI a sense of urgency and purpose. The organization's culture and research agenda were molded by their shared commitment to placing a high priority on long-term safety and the responsible development of AI technology. Focusing on more than just specific AI applications, OpenAI emphasized the importance of AGI research. Highly autonomous systems that outperform humans at a variety of activities are referred to as AGI. AGI had the potential to drastically alter society in both good and bad ways, according to OpenAI. By committing to AGI research, OpenAI hoped to aid in the creation of strong frameworks, rules, and regulations that would direct the moral and advantageous use of AGI in the future. To maintain its long-term sustainability and strategic impact, OpenAI has adopted for-profit activities in addition to its initial nonprofit operations. OpenAI aspires to raise funds required to continue pursuing its objective and promote beneficial breakthroughs in AI by balancing its nonprofit research activities with commercially driven endeavors. The AI community has benefited greatly from the OpenAI's contributions despite its relatively brief lifespan. The company has published a large number of research papers, created groundbreaking AI models like GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and actively taken part in cooperative initiatives to promote accountability, security, and responsible AI practices. The establishment of OpenAI in 2015 signaled a significant turning point in the AI environment. OpenAI has been essential in influencing the worldwide discourse on AGI and ensuring that AI technologies are researched and used in a way that promotes and protects mankind by putting human welfare at the center of its mission. As his other two businesses, SpaceX and Tesla, were also developing AI technologies, Musk left OpenAI in 2018. In 2019, OpenAI announced that it was a for-profit business and teamed up with Microsoft and other major corporations. A news statement announced that Microsoft and OpenAI have recently strengthened their relationship. Since its establishment, OpenAI has created a number of AI tools, including ChatGPT and DALL-E. Both have gained a lot of popularity recently and are widely used. After its late 2022 launch, ChatGPT experienced a spectacular growth rate as users all over the world use the controversial chatbot's prompts to generate everything from poems and novels to jokes and movie scripts. The OpenAI artificial intelligence model, GPT-4, an update to GPT 3.5 that was made available to users through ChatGPT, was launched in November 30th, 2022, with backing from Microsoft Corporation. According to data from analytics company SimilarWeb, consumers have been using the underutilized search engine as a result of the incorporation of OpenAI's GPT technology into Microsoft's Bing. Microsoft was the first to strike the blow, spending over $10 billion on OpenAI and that little gem that's been on everyone's lips, ChatGPT. They were good and quiet from Mountain View. There was no official announcement until Google I/O in early May. Big G went much beyond the unveiling of the eagerly anticipated smartphones, the Pixel 7a, the first foldable, the Pixel Fold, and that tablet that truly wants to fight with the iPad at the customary annual convention for developers. The emphasis of his convention, however, was on the advancement of its artificial intelligence. Bard can help you develop your ideas. It creates a plan and looks for several execution methods. It enables the creation of early drafts of schematics, emails, blog entries, poetry, and much more. It also enables a rapid and simple description of more complex information. Will all of these be sufficient to halt ChatGPT's growth? So, is Skynet Age finally here? Ready for more? Let's investigate it further. Despite the competition between the two high giants of technology, the development of artificial intelligence fascinates while also raising concerns. AI might replace millions of jobs globally, in addition to an online world where all news is not created by humans. OpenAI promises that things won't end up like Goldman Sachs' prediction that artificial intelligence will threaten more than 300 million jobs. To illustrate, they imagine tidal waves unleashed by companies like IBM, which is currently working to replace 30% of its 26,000 employees with ChatGPT in order to reduce costs. Many workers have pondered whether artificial intelligence will replace them as employees ever since the introduction of ChatGPT. The chatbot's developer, OpenAI, has looked into the situation, and the answer is terrifying. Only 34 professions, in her estimation, are shielded from the AI tsunami. Truly, it is said that organizations will soon begin to widely adopt AI. There is still a specific phase to perform before claiming that it will entirely surpass humans. However, other professions do not hold back in foreseeing the stratospheric rise of AI, even going so far as predicting that by 2025, it would handle 50% of the work. Only 34 trades will be able to withstand the ChatGPT tsunami, and his findings are not particularly enlightening. According to their research, the study's authors estimate that ChatGPT will have a direct or indirect impact on 80% of American payrolls. Additionally, artificial intelligence will have up to a 50% impact on 19% of vocations without necessarily replacing them totally. However, a small number of deals should be exempt from the upcoming change. Before we move further, if you're getting any benefit, please subscribe and like this video because it will really help us grow. Also, be sure to turn on your notification bell in order to be notified when we upload new videos. Now, OpenAI listed precisely some professions that can never be replaced by AI, and they include roofing assistants, assistant masons, block masons, stone masons, tilers, marble craftsmen, painter's assistants, paper layers, plasterers, stucco workers' assistants, plumbing technicians, pipe fitters, fitters, competitors in sports, athletes, roof bolters working in the mining sector, hairdressers, paving, surfacing, and tamping equipment operators. Also, we have cooks who prepare fast meals, hand pruners, fish, meat, and poultry cutters and trimmers, producers of foundry cores and molds, installers and repairmen of power lines, installers and repairers of vehicle glass, divers, cement masons, finishers of concrete specialists in diesel engines, bus and truck repairs, operators of excavating and loading equipment and towed machinery, operators of oil and gas extractors, motorcycle mechanics, piling rigs, Operators of oil rigs, surface miners, operators of farm equipment, boat operators, track laying, maintenance equipment for railroads, wellhead pump operators, wood and hard tile, refractory material repairers, with the exception of bricklayers and masons, tire changers and repairers, servers, bartenders, stone cutters, pourers, and metal rollers. As one might anticipate, human exchanges are listed first by OpenAI when ChatGPT's generating text is ineffective. Is the entire globe as we know it coming to an end as a result? Wait a minute. Let's start by stating the obvious. OpenAI speaks for its flock. The corporation must find it more exciting to claim that its product will transform society than to downplay it. Furthermore, it is possible to argue that robots will one day be able to replace these manual skill transactions. Perhaps, with a little imagination, AIs will be able to generate these robots on their own. After all, it is expected that artificial intelligence will surpass human intelligence by 2028. In other words, if an effect occurs, there are numerous possibilities, and it is still too early to predict what will occur. In your opinion, are there any unexpected professions among the 34 that ChatGPT's developer feels are immune to AI replacement? If you've benefited from this video, please subscribe and like this video because it will really help us grow. Also, be sure to turn on the notification bell to be notified when we upload new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.